I like to entertain a lot, and I tend to drink with my friends. I like this concept of having a bar in my area. The design similar to what I saw in Manhattan Bar.
The challenge is from the bar concept, how we translate and filter down to the rest of the house. So you must usually gel the owner with the place. I envision gentleman's club style house because he is very well-mannered, well-spoken, very cultured and very charismatic. Hence, the Manhattan Bar aside, right, the other colour schemes, material choice need to reflect this part of the owner's personality. And I thought that it doesn't mean a bachelor's pad cannot be sexy. Sexy doesn't mean it's a girl's thing, it can be for guys. If it's deep and brooding and full of mood, right, I think that is sexy already.
They make a lot of a hidden place for me to hide my stuff. As I told her, I got a lot of whiskeys, a lot of bottles. It just happened that we are working from home now, so it makes working from home so much easier. You don't feel like you're working. You're feeling like you're in a bar, enjoying yourself. That's the feel that I like, the vibes. Yeah.
In order to access the loft bar, we need to build a staircase, but yet we cannot build the traditional staircase against the wall. Hence, we chose to use a spiral staircase, which in a way is more space efficient and it can serve the exact same purpose. Another challenge is the kitchen. Because of the loft bar, we need to chop the height of the regular cabinets, which means now the kitchen has less storage. We complement that by having an island counter that's movable, mobile. There's storage within this island cabinet, but at the same time, this island cabinet, right, serves as a dining table with a pull-out ledge that can let people sit there and have a meal. So I spent a lot of time sourcing for small details like handles, and the wall decor. Things like pendant lamp for the bedroom, a door that has more style than the regular door. In a house, nobody in the right mind will put an armored warrior. Helps to give the gentleman's club a more premium feel. Put together, right, these are the things that add flavour to the house. So for this space, it's a matter of gelling different theme accessories together and yet make them work. I have a few industrial theme decor accessories, yet we can somehow gel in with the whole gentleman's theme. The fact that he also preferred a dark environment, which means the challenge is then how to punch up the space with everything Olulu. Olulu meaning dark. I need to bring in a lot of metallic elements, make the space have that little bit of bling bling factor. Once you throw light, right, at least reflection and all that, right, the space have more glitter so that it's not so dark and somber.
She's worse than me as a perfectionist. She's a very detailed person. She always proposes something even better than my ideas. All I know is just a Manhattan Bar concept, but what she knows is a lot more. So a lot more better than what I've thought of. That's why I'm so proud of it and start to show it in my IG and use this place to invite my friends over.